Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to check your DirectX runtime version on your laptop. Okay, I am using Dell Precision 7740 and graphics card of RTX Quadro RTX 5000. So to check that, you can simply right click on your desktop, then select show more options, then select NVIDIA control panel. If you are installed this driver, you must install that driver for better driver support. So open that, then you will get this window, and the top left bottom corner you can see option of system information. Click on that. Okay, then you will get this window that you can see option of DirectX runtime version is 12.0. So in this way you can easily identify which DirectX version is supporting, and also you can see that DirectX Direct 3D feature level 12.1. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.